Greg with City Restore. We're going to restore half of this hood. Just got out of the spa, and I'm going to go restore this. Does that look okay with my glasses? Take them off.
I look good.
Okay, we'll do the sights so you get more of a shine.
Okay. Hold on.
Oh, it's a bead. That'll be fine.
You can't do that if you're filming.
Yes, I can. Wait, hold on.
Do one on each side.
No, because I don't want to trip over it.
I understand, but you're blocking like half your freaking RT40 there right now.
Okay.
And if you go to where the clean's at, you're halfway off the camera. I'm gonna start it up, so hold that down for me.
Go ahead. What I could do, actually, it's already locked down. Why is it not shutting off?
I don't know.
All right.
It is what it is.
Feels like it's broken.
It works.
All right. You see which one am I pointing to? I'm pointing to one.
You're pointing to that left one.
Okay. So as you can see, we cleaned it. One side's not clean, the other side came clean, just the 3 steps. Now we're just waiting for it to air dry.
You guys want me to turn the thing off?
Yes. It was off, and then you turned it back on.
Well, you wanted it to.
Okay, go ahead.
Okay, where do I want to stand at?
Quick before it's
Yeah.
dry.
See where we're looking? Yep, dry.
What was that?
Oh, hey, it's dry to the touch already. So you can touch it, nothing on your hand. Good to go. Don't be noisy. All right, everybody thinks it's gonna come off with water. Hold on, Kevin's gonna turn off the thing.
Do your things before I turn it on.
Okay. All right, everybody thinks it'll just wash off with water, so I'm gonna show you with the pressure washer that's not the case. So just watch me do this.